Right, ladies and gents, back in focus. Let's clean this Crotal bell up. Nice bit of pattern on the bottom, I think. There you go. Beautiful Crotal bell, intact. That'll ring. Lovely job. Just had this little buckle, ladies and gents. Look at that. Nice. Intact, medieval buckle. Beautiful. Right, ladies and gents, now on my way home. Cold and wet, but I had a good time in the puddles. The settings, not too bad. The MindLab program, I did say to use 5 tones, but I did actually use 50 tones, as I said in the video, but that's each to their own, really. No hammer today, but another rose farthing, a nice chunk of silver. Try the settings if you like. There was very minimal chatting, and the mineralised ground seemed to be okay. The signals seemed pretty stable. Apart from, if I'm honest with you, when I first started, when I put the settings in last night, I put the sensitivity on 1 or 0 and I spent the first hour detecting with sensitivity on 0 or 1 and thinking the settings, someone was having a joke with me. I realised after an hour, and then I felt quite a fool. But anyway, I'm going to end it there. So hope you had a good weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.